Hey everyone, today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Samsung HW-Q990D soundbar with True Dolby Atmos Sound. If you're searching for a top-of-the-line soundbar that delivers a truly immersive audio experience, stay tuned because this might just be the perfect choice for you. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The Samsung HW-Q990D boasts a sleek and sophisticated design that seamlessly blends with any modern home entertainment setup. Its low-profile design allows it to fit perfectly under most TVs without obstructing the view. The build quality is outstanding, featuring premium materials that not only look great, but also ensure durability. The additional 4-year extended amber protection plan gives you peace of mind, knowing your investment is safeguarded against potential issues. Audio performance. This soundbar is a powerhouse when it comes to audio performance. With 11.1.4 channels, it provides a multi-dimensional sound experience that fills the room. The True Dolby Atmos technology delivers immersive, 3-dimensional sound by bouncing audio off the ceiling, creating an enveloping surround sound experience. Whether you're watching an action-packed movie, listening to your favorite music, or playing video games, the HW-Q990D ensures every detail is heard with clarity and depth. True Dolby Atmos and DTS. The True Dolby Atmos and DTS support on the HW-Q990D sets it apart from the competition. These technologies allow for precise placement of sound, creating a realistic audio environment where you can hear distinct sounds from all directions. Explosions, footsteps, and subtle background noises come to life, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. The soundbar's upward-firing speakers play a crucial role in delivering this overhead sound, adding a new dimension to your audio experience. Adaptive sound and Q-Symphony. Samsung's adaptive sound technology analyzes the audio signal to deliver optimized sound for each scene. Whether it's quiet dialogue or intense action, the soundbar adjusts to ensure the best possible audio experience. Additionally, the Q-Symphony feature syncs the soundbar with compatible Samsung TVs, creating a harmonious and powerful audio experience that utilizes both the TV speakers and the soundbar simultaneously. Wireless subwoofer and rear speakers. The HW-Q990D comes with a powerful wireless subwoofer and rear speakers that add depth and richness to the audio. The subwoofer delivers deep, resonant bass that enhances the overall sound quality, making music and movie soundtracks more impactful. The wireless rear speakers provide true surround sound, immersing you in a 360-degree audio environment. The wireless design ensures easy setup and a clutter-free look. Smart features and connectivity. This soundbar is packed with smart features that enhance usability and convenience. It supports Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control the soundbar with voice commands. You can easily adjust the volume, change tracks, or check the weather without lifting a finger. The HW-Q990D also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to stream music from your smartphone or other devices effortlessly. Flaws. While the Samsung HW-Q990D is an exceptional soundbar, it does have a few minor drawbacks. One potential issue is its premium price point, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the setup process, while generally straightforward, can be a bit complex for those unfamiliar with advanced audio equipment. Lastly, while the soundbar delivers excellent performance, the optimal experience is achieved when paired with a compatible Samsung TV, which might limit its appeal to users with other TV brands. Final thoughts. The Samsung HW-Q990D 11.1.4ch Soundbar with True Dolby Atmos Sound is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their home entertainment experience. Its combination of powerful audio performance, advanced sound technologies, and smart features make it a standout option in the market. Despite a few minor flaws, the HW-Q990D delivers an immersive and high-quality audio experience that is sure to impress. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.